hanggang dun sa taas. Ayun, oh.
Yeah. This is my second video. I stop it.
Andiyan yung butterflies?
I accidentally stop it.
Mga flowers eh.
Guys, you can see there's a faucet there. You can see people.
Oh, si Kuya. Souvenir.
These are souvenirs, guys. Give me one picture. One picture, guys. Well, Philippines very hot. I'm sweating. Well, guys, you can see many guys picnic here. Picnic here above the mountain. Someone's playing badminton. It's a single. Alright, only one player. Well, guys, many games. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Pa-picture nga ma, dun ako. Oh, guys, many kids are playing. Alright, they're here. Oh, this is a nice view. This is a nice view, guys. Now, who wants to go up? This is tiring. You can see the stairs. Whoa, the stairs is very long, guys. Well, we'll be exploring this place, ma. Isang picture naman dyan.
Na malupit.
Well, these guys are souvenir.
Go, Kuya Oski!
This is a big souvenir, guy.
Souvenir.
Alright.
O, tara.
Well, now, guys, we're going up.
Ano ba ito? Yung sa China?
See the view. It's very
Ano
nice.
to? Yung sa China, yung lager. Ay, parang...
Great Wall. See, Papa is exercising. You can see. Now, guys, we're going up. Going up. What a nice view, guy. Here next. Nagbi-video po tayo. Hi. Whew. Guys, this is tiring. So you can see they're going up. And I am here. Guys. Oh. Ma! One love. I love you so. Isang malupit na picture, guys. You can see, guys, there's so many people here. One pic here, you can see my back. Ate Jean is here. Guy, we're always pictures.
Panira, pic eh.
Oops. I'm getting sweaty. Whew. Alright, guys, this is a new view here. Now we're going up. Well, guys, you can see the view. Well, guys, we're going up. Whoa! Talas pa po tayo. Whew. Hey. Look at this. Ganda. Kita mo yung view? Ang ganda. Hi. Bago sa salita. Ganda, no? Ganda ng view dito. Ito na pala pinakadulo. Huh? Alright, this is the end of the second video.